Welcome back to the Planet by Planet series. In today's episode, we're diving into a hotly debated topic in the world of astronomy. Is Pluto a planet again? For years, Pluto was considered the ninth planet of our solar system until it was reclassified as a dwarf planet by the International Astronomical Union in 2006. But with new discoveries and a renewed interest in Pluto, people have been asking, could Pluto's planetary status be restored? Let's explore the history of Pluto's status and what the future holds for this icy world at the edge of our solar system. Pluto's demotion to dwarf planet status wasn't an easy decision. In 2006, the International Astronomical Union, IAU, introduced a new definition for what qualifies as a planet. According to the IAU, in order for a celestial body to be considered a planet, it must meet three criteria. It must orbit the sun, it must be large enough for its gravity to shape it into a round form, and it must have cleared its orbit of other debris. While Pluto meets the first two criteria, it fails the third, because its orbit overlaps with that of other objects in the Kuiper Belt, a region beyond Neptune filled with icy bodies. Despite this reclassification, Pluto has remained a subject of fascination. In 2015, NASA's New Horizons mission gave us our first close-up images of Pluto, revealing a surprisingly complex world, with mountains, plains, and even an icy heart-shaped feature. These images reignited interest in Pluto, and many people began to question whether it deserved to be reclassified as a planet. Since then, a growing number of astronomers and enthusiasts have pushed for Pluto's planetary status to be restored. Some argue that Pluto's historical significance and unique characteristics make it deserving of its planet status, while others believe the current definition of a planet needs to be updated to better reflect the complexity of our solar system's bodies. So could Pluto be a planet again? Well, it's still up for debate. The IAU has yet to change its official definition of a planet, but ongoing research and public interest may lead to a re-evaluation in the future. Whether or not Pluto is officially reinstated as a planet, one thing is certain: Pluto continues to capture our imaginations and has earned a special place in our solar system's story. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you don't miss the next episode of our Planet by Planet series. Stay curious and see you in the next one.